It is negative 13 degrees right now, so I hope you forgive us if we film this episode inside. But to make it up to you, we're going to throw some water in the air and have it freeze. Woo! It's crazy! Super Bowl. Can't say that. A big game is coming up. We're going to teach you 4 recipes of the best things that you can bring to a game day party to make you the hero. Loaded potato skins. We got buffalo chicken dip. We have some jalapeno poppers in a blanket. And then we also have, for our final one, some stuffed pickles. Sausage and cheese stuffed pickles. It's gonna be incredible. So let's get started. So let's start by prepping the potatoes. I've already washed these potatoes, and all we need to do now is season them and get them ready to throw in there. We're gonna put olive oil on top of them so they have a nice layer so they can crisp up a little bit. We're gonna put on our brand new Vegivore seasoning, new from Camp Chef. Very delicious. It'll be so good on these potatoes. I'm psyched about it. And then just finish it, salt and pepper, throw them in there for about an hour until they're tender at 250 degrees, and then we're gonna bring them back in. We're just gonna throw some bacon in there with them as well. We just got these out of the smoker and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. I think the nice, crispy, wrinkly skin, that's what we're aiming for here. So now we're gonna cut them in half, scoop out the inside, fill them full of bacon and cheese and more Vegivore seasoning and whatever else we want, and it's going to be delicious. And we're going to put them back on the smoker and then just let it have the insides melt and get nice little delicious potato skins. These smell absolutely incredible, and I'm just going to give them a try right now. Oh man. No, it's just like a little bite-sized potato bite of goodness. I don't know how else to put it. But dude, that Vegivore seasoning was a game changer on this one. That might be one of my new favorite seasonings. So let's start on this buffalo chicken dip. It's gonna be a ranch buffalo chicken dip. So we are going to need to season it with a little bit of ranch seasoning. Throw them onto the smoker for about an hour and a half until they hit 165 degrees internal temp. That's what you're looking for. That's how you know they'll be done. That chicken was on for about a little over an hour and a half, closer to 2 hours, till it got to 165, and it stayed there for a bit. So now we're going to shred it up and then get ready to put it into our buffalo chicken dip. So now we have our 4 shredded chicken breasts all up in here. We are going to add in the rest of our ingredients, which includes Frank's Red Hot sauce, some more ranch seasoning, cream cheese, some more cheese, and then we're just going to mix all that up, and we're going to put some breadcrumbs on top, give it a nice little crispy top. It's going to be delicious.
Smells good, it better.
Bam! And then we're going to throw this back in the smoker for another 30 minutes until it's all cooked. And then I'm just going to finish this off by throwing a few green onions on top just to make it look good. Okay, so we're just going to give this a little try. I'm not normally a big buffalo chicken guy, but I have a feeling I'm going to like this one. Oh my goodness. I like it a lot because I'm not a huge buffalo guy, but the ranch in there, like the seasonings, like it's not too much, but it's a nice like ranch and buffalo work really well together. So I think that was a good call. Good job, me. We are going to do these beautiful jalapeno poppers in a blanket. It's a jalapeno popper mixed with a pig in a blanket. We're gonna cut the jalapenos in half and then core and seed them just with a spoon. Fill them up with a mixture of this cream cheese, some cheddar cheese, some of our new mango chipotle seasoning to give it a little extra kick. Put a single little smoky in there. Wrap it up in a croissant that I cut in half. Throw them on the grill for, I don't know, until they're done, like an hour, maybe less. I don't know, we'll see. I'll give you the findings. I'm really excited about these. These look amazing. These turned out exactly how I was hoping they would. Like you have this beautiful little, you have like the jalapeno stem like sticking out at the end. You got like the little pig in a blanket sticking out here. I think these are going to be incredible, and I want to bite into it. That's one of the best things I've ever eaten in my entire life. I'm not even kidding. It literally tastes exactly like a jalapeno popper plus a pig in a blanket. I don't know, believe it or not, it's crazy. You have to make these. This is probably one of the best things I've had game day wise in a long time. This next recipe I'm really excited about. This is something that came from the deep recesses of Kyle's mind. I thought about it and I thought it would be really good. So I'm gonna show you how to make them right now. I'm either deciding between pickle poppers or stuffed pickles. I don't know which one's better. Pickle poppers are kind of fun, so I like that. Let us know in the comments while I'm showing you how to make them. Do you like pickle popper or stuffed pickles better? We're just gonna cut the pickle right in half, and then we're gonna scoop out all the stuff that's in the center. Kind of like the jalapeno poppers we just did, but this one's gonna be just with the pickle instead. Next, you're gonna find the pickle half that is deeper, and then you're gonna put the string cheese on that side. That way you can fill the win with the sausage on the other side and put them on top of each other and squish together kind of like a little delicious sandwich. And then just do that with all of them, and then wrap all of those in bacon and put some toothpicks in it to make sure that it keeps it all safe, all nice and snugly together. And then just go and throw it in the smoker at 250 until the pickle's heated through and the sausage is cooked. That's how you're gonna know it's done, is when that sausage is done cooking. So I'm actually really excited. This is probably what I'm most excited about. I have a feeling they're going to turn out pretty good because, I mean, I can already see that the cheese is like in there and it's all like melty and stuff. So I want to give it a try. Let's get a little cross section of this bad boy. Oh. That's phenomenal. This is a pickle lover's recipe. You don't like pickles, you're not gonna like this. So that was it. We ended up doing 4 things to make you look like a hero on game day. You're not gonna be that lame guy who just brings chips anymore. Promise, these are gonna make you so popular. You're gonna be the hero of the party. So if you made any of these recipes, let me know. Tag me. Tag, #NowChef, #campchef. I see those ones too. And then, if you wanna see me cook some 3, 2, 1 ribs, boop, this video right there. It's a good video. It's my first video I ever did, so go watch it, go give it a look. And I guess until next time, peace out.